Welcome to the speaking portion of the IELTS exam. My name is Huang Anh. I will be your examiner for this part of the test. The test has 3 parts, and I'll give you instructions for each. To begin with, what is your full name?
My full name is Bùi Bá Thái Sơn.
Okay, Sơn. In part 1, I'm going to ask you some questions on a general topic. Let's talk about technology. What technology do you often use? Computers or cell phones?
I often use a combination of both in my daily life. I'll always use my cell phones for everyday life, and my computer is just for studying or work purpose.
What electronic devices have you bought lately?
Lately, I have not bought anything yet, but last year I got my new cell phone, so yeah.
What do you think are the trends in technology today compared to when you were young?
I think AI is getting more popular nowadays compared to when I was young. When I were young, there were just cell phones, and nowadays AI is a new technology that is more popular among people nowadays. Yeah.
Is there any technology that you don't like?
Yes, it's actually AI, but I use AI a lot in my life, but sometimes I don't really like it. But specifically in art, because I am studying in communications, and AI is getting in the way a lot, and I think in the future it might replace us as content creators. Yeah.
That is the end of part 1. Now we will continue with part 2. In part 2, I'm going to give you a card with a question on it. Here's your cue card. You will have 1 minute to think about what you're going to say, then 2 minutes to speak. You can make some notes if you wish. I'll tell you when to start and when to stop. Do you understand? Okay, now I want you to describe a person you know who enjoys working for a family business. Now go ahead. You have 1 minute to prepare your answer. 1 minute preparation time is up. Please begin speaking, and don't worry if I stop you.
Okay. I will describe a person that I know who runs a family business. It's actually my father who owns, who owned a sticky rice food stall in near my secondary school. Yeah. So it was actually 10 years ago when I was just 8 years old. Yeah. And it actually was a piece of memory that I would never forget. Yeah. So the food that he was selling was the sticky rice with not the traditional sticky rice, but he actually mixed it with meat, pate, and the Chinese sausage. I don't really remember much about the food he sold, but those were the ones that I liked the most when he was making it for me. And my dad was a hardworking person, so he stayed there working for almost the whole day, and the time that I get to meet him was just a few hours in the evening when he returned home. So I think that he really loved doing it because how he can communicate with people, how he can get to know people better when they eat his food. And I was really amazed when after a few years of stopping the food stall, the people still called him to ask if he was still selling the food, and it was actually really cool to see to see his achievement after a few years like that.
That's your 2 minutes of speaking time there. I'm just going to stop you. That is the end of part 2. Now we'll continue with part 3. In part 3, I'm going to be asking you some questions related to part 2. Let's talk about starting a family business. Why do some people choose to start their own company?
I think people would like to start their own company because how they can do everything that they want independently without like being influenced by other people.
What are the advantages and disadvantages of family businesses?
I think running a family business can help like your family have more time together, but sometimes it is really not like it has some disadvantages when there can be conflicts in the family, and I think that will, if people don't solve the conflicts, I think the family relationship can be ruined. Yeah.
What makes a successful family business?
I think a family business can be successful when the family members work well together, and they can plan out a long and they can plan out a plan that help them become successful. And I think it's more about like a mental a mental thing, and it's not a like how like you plan out things. Yeah.
So that is the end of the speaking interview. You will receive your score in about a few days' time. Thank you.